Hello there, meteorologist Pete Mangione on this very cold Saturday. Let's get you right to the forecast. So our overall weather pattern over the next several days into next week will generally look like this. You're actually looking at wind patterns way up above in the atmosphere, but this sort of dictates often what happens with our storm tracks and our overall temperature patterns. And you can see what's happening. See those arrows coming in from Canada directly into southern New England? That generally brings in cold air, and that's what we're pretty much stuck with for the next several days. Now, there will be a little bit of a change in direction from what you're seeing right now, but the overall theme is the same, where we pull in that cold Canadian export there from the north and northwest. So here is what that will do to our temperatures. Today, you could see we may not even make it to freezing. I have highs around 31 in Providence, breezes out of the northwest at around 5 to 15 miles an hour. Just a side note, this morning was the first time that TF Green dipped into the teens since November 23rd when the temperature hit 13 degrees. So it was a very cold morning. Some wind chills this morning were actually in the single digits. I think more of the same tonight. Not that breezy, winds out of the west at 5 to 10, but low temperatures going into the mid to upper teens. And then tomorrow, there's a little bit of an improvement. Now, I realize we're setting the standards very low. I mean, those are still well below normal, those temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, but it's going to be a little better than what we're going to see today, with the temperatures tomorrow likely going a few degrees above freezing. The good news is we should get sunshine for most of the weekend into next week. In fact, a very dry stretch of weather. It's been a while since we've had a really long, extended dry stretch, and that does continue here into next week. But there will be a chance of rain and some milder temperatures by the time we get into next weekend, and we'll, of course, be talking a lot about that in the coming days. Have a good weekend.